Welcome to my channel. Let's do this together. Stay put.
So this is how to run the thread. I'm going to place the thread on this, then use this to stop the thread from falling out. Then I'll run my thread to the first thread guide. Once I'm done running it through, I will now run it through this circular thread guide. There is let me bend it forward. This place, once I'm done running through this place, I will run this thread guide through this place round. Once it comes round, it enters through the third thread guide. Then it comes down through this. You see there is an opening here. You run it through this place. Then once you have brought it down to this place, you go up. There is an arrow pointing that you go up again. Once you go up, there is an arrow here, and there is another arrow here pointing that once you go up, you will not go. There is another place here that the thread lies on. Once the thread is laid on that place, you come. That means it's safe and it's locked. You will now come down. You now come down and now pass the thread through the needle, the eye of the needle. Now this needle is not like the manual machine. You know, the manual machine, you face the needle to the side, while this one you face it backward. I'm not leaning forward, so I'm not really seeing it, but I'm going to pull it out. So this is it. Once you are done running through this place, you now pull the thread through the needle eye, and that's how to run the thread on this machine. Now let's count how many thread guides so that it can also guide you when you are running your thread. We have the first one, second, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one before the normal eye needle. So it's just like the manual machine. The manual machine has 5 thread guides, and this one has 5 thread guides. This is how the charger looks like. You plug the charger in through this place. I hope you are seeing it. Through here. Then this is the switch on and off button. I'm going to on the socket, but I'm not going to keep this on the floor. This is supposed to be on the floor so that your leg, can be placed on it so that you can thread and sew. So once I've switched on the socket, and I'm going to on this switch of this machine. Once you on the switch of the machine, the light shows. There is a light that the machine comes with a bulb, an inner light that helps you sew. Even when there is no light, you can use this light to sew your clothes. And this is how to move the machine. When I'm ready to move it, I place my leg on top and the machine moves. It runs by itself. This is where I reel my thread. I reel my thread here on this particular machine, because there is no way I can reel with that fast method on the manual machine. So I reel the thread through the normal process. This is where I lock the machine. Anytime I want to go back and front to double stitch on my material, this is what I use. This is what I use to control the tension of the machine. This part and this part too. Now there are different functions in this machine. You have the button. Where do you find these functions? Let me off it first. Now you find these functions here. Be looking at this place. There is something here that shows you what stitch is here. Once you set the stitch, it's made clear here. So if I want to change the stitch here, I hold this second place this other, not the upper part, the down part, I'm going to adjust it. I'll be adjusting it front. Just be watching. Look at the stitches compared with this one. They're the same thing. Now we are the zigzag. There's another zigzag, bolder, a bolder zigzag, a tighter zigzag, an open zigzag. So there you continue till you reach wherever. This is for buttonhole. Any of the designs you want. If you want to use this to make a design, whatever you want to use it to do, you can use it to do. So this machine is very easy to use once you understand it. And mine, I've been using it for a while, so everything is not inside here, but it comes with different foots. It has the one for zipper. This one helps you to fix your zip easily. It will not even stress you like the normal manual machine. As a beginner, this machine is foot is very good for fixing your zip. This is for the zip, for the first side, for the other side. This is for buttonhole, to set it. Maybe on another day we can do review on how to fix all this stuff. This is it. This is one of the reels. It uses a plastic reel, not the normal manual machine reel. Then it has brush, it has its oil, it has this is also, I don't really use this that much. And just a lot of the machine. So once you are done fixing everything, it's just like a box. You put it, slide it back in. But before I slide it in, let me show you
where you fix your bobbling and shuttle. This is where you fix your bobbling thread and your shuttle. Very easy to put in.
Then if I want to cut my thread and I don't have my scissors closer, all I do is just to drag my thread and place them, or anyone, just like it's two. So I'm going to place them on this. There is a curved something here. It just looks like a minor thing, but it's very sharp. So I just place it on it. It cuts the thread. I'll cut another one. So I'm going to cut it. Just very easy to cut it. So that's all for the using of the machine. There is no function really at the back. Then let me lock this part. This part, once you on it, the light will indicate that it's on, and it's not rechargeable. It's used with electricity or nothing. Now look at the thing as I'm trading it. Look at the setting. It's on the buttonhole. You'll be seeing that the needle is dancing. It's not staying in one place. It does its function.
It's portable, it's movable, it's very much beginner friendly. So consider using this machine, especially if you're a beginner, you don't like stress. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.